Hey, y'all, do y'all see this? Like, pop out. Pop out, sis. Pop out, sis. Yes, with the silky black. So, I'm sorry, I don't know what. Hello, my internet sisters, cousins, brothers, and friends. My name is Michaela Michelle if you're new, and if not, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my hair last as long as possible, my tips, my tricks, and my routine. So if you guys want to see that, be sure to stay tuned. Okay, now before I get on into my routine, I want to talk to you guys about this major #1 tip, and that is to make sure that you guys have good quality hair. Now, I'm not saying that you have to go out here and spend $1 million, but I am saying that, you know, sometimes it's worth investing in some good quality hair, so that way it'll last you a long time, and in the end you won't spend as much money. Because if you're buying a synthetic wig every week, at the end of the day you're gonna end up broke. Okay, so the hair that I have in now, and the hair that I'm going to be showing this process on, is the hair sent to me from WestKiss hair store. Now, WestKiss sent me hair in the lengths 22, 22, 24, 24 with a matching 20-inch closure in the texture Brazilian body wave. And oh my goodness, you guys, I have literally been obsessed with this hair since I got it. I honestly don't remember the exact date of when I got it, but it'll be somewhere on the screen. But I've had this hair for a little minute now, and you guys, like, it's my go-to everyday hair. I love long black hair. That's just like my look. That's me every day. I mean, I'm trying to switch it up, but right now that's just me. Okay, so, and these sleeves are huge. Okay, but anyway, that's not the point. Okay, so this has become my everyday hair. You guys, have worked out in this hair. I have went swimming in this hair. I've been in the Texas heat in this hair. This hair has been through it, baby. Okay, so trust me when I say that this is good quality hair. Do you guys see this? Like, first of all, this is Brazilian body wave, and do you see how straight I got it? Okay, I'm a little proud of myself because y'all know I do not do my hair. Like, I hate straightening my hair. But anyway, so I absolutely love this hair, and oh my goodness, you guys, so this has nothing to do with like the quality of the hair, but you guys, this closure, first of all, game changer. Okay, because no, you guys know that I hate frontals, but frontals do give you more styling abilities. But y'all, let me tell you, this closure is a 6x6 closure. I've never had a closure this big. All the hair companies that I have worked with or just bought hair from, and I have never had a closure this big. So it's like in between like a normal closure, and it's like in between a normal closure and a frontal, so that way like you can put the wig on like a closure wig, but you can get more styling like a frontal. So I'm just gonna leave the links in the description box to the hair. Now let's get on into my routine. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to be filling up a pot of water and bringing it to a boil. So when I'm done washing my hair, I wrap my hair in a towel. I try to get all the excess water out, but of course there's still gonna be water in the hair. So after I do that, I normally like put it, I don't put it on my wig head because I wear spandex cap, so it needs to dry. It needs air flowing through. You know, you need the air to flow through. So I put it on like a hanger, a towel rack. I put my wig on anything. But that's not the point. That's not the point, okay? So after I do that, I take a little bit, I didn't show this, but I take a little bit of oil. Now, when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit, okay? Okay, do you hear me? Do you hear me? When I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. I don't know whose accent that is. I'm just having fun. So, I'm gonna just show you. You're gonna take a little oil. Now, this is olive oil, but you can use other oils. This is what oil that I had. It's a cheap oil. You can get it from the grocery store. You ain't gotta order it online. You are going to put boop, 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 boop. Do y'all see this oil? Do you see the oil? Okay, maybe I'll put a little bit more than that. Okay. Y'all see that oil on my hand? Focus. Okay, my wrist hurt. Okay, it won't focus. But y'all see, if y'all put too much oil on your hair, don't come complaining to me. I ain't the one that told you to put all that oil. Because you're going to have to rewash your hair now. You're going to have to put baby powder in your hair. I don't know what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to use some dry shampoo or something. But look, I'm telling y'all, put a little bit. This is not curly. If your hair curly, that's a different story. But if you are doing anything under curly, I don't care if it's wavy. I don't care. I said a little bit. I said a little bit of oil. Okay? And this is going to lock in some of that moisture. Now, it is going to make your wig, it's going to take longer for your wig or your weave to dry. But it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Alrighty, so after that, all I did was blow dry my hair. Now, look, it is good to let your hair, you know, dry with just the air. But your girl was impatient and I wanted to put my wig on. So I blow dried the hair and then I flat ironed it. And here we are now. Okay, so that is the end of this little, I don't want to call it a tutorial. That's the end of the video, you guys. If you guys learned something, if you guys like this video, please be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please be sure to turn on my post notifications so you guys can be notified the next time I upload. And also, I didn't say and about 7 times, but also please be sure to follow me on Instagram at Michaela Michelle. Interact with me on there because, you know, sometimes I don't always be on YouTube, you know? I'm always on Instagram. I'm always on Twitter. I'm doing better on, okay, you know what? Let me not lie. I'm always on Twitter. I'm getting better with Instagram, y'all. I'm really getting better. But, you know, we gonna get there. We gonna get there. All right, y'all. Do y'all see this? Like, pop out. Pop out, sis. Pop out, sis. Yes, with the silky black. So, do not put too much. Do not put too much, Trevor. Trevor. Oh no, Charlie. Okay, y'all, this hair ain't glued down. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all right now, so I can't be brushing it too hard. Your hair gonna come out so silky and smooth, honey. I promise you this. Ooh, look at this. Okay, look, let's take a shot. Ooh, okay, look.